Hey everyone and welcome! Today, we're diving into Kamin Kanazawa, a stunning 4.5-star hotel in Nonoichi, Japan. Before you book, make sure you watch this video to learn the essentials. Don't forget that the safest way to book is via the link in the description or the QR code on the screen. Kamin Kanazawa is located in Nonoichi, putting you close to the action. You're within walking distance of places like Nakashima Menya, and the popular Omicho Fish Market is also nearby. This makes it convenient for exploring local culture and cuisine on foot. This hotel is known for its impeccable service and exquisite design. From the moment you step in, you'll feel the attention to detail. This makes it a great choice for travelers looking for a luxurious and memorable experience. Check-in starts at 3 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in. Checkout is at 10 a.m., so plan accordingly. These times will help you manage your travel schedule effectively. Families with young children are in for a treat. Children aged 0 to 5 stay free. The hotel provides a welcoming environment, making it a budget-friendly option for families traveling with little ones. Enjoy amenities like free parking and laundry service. Rooms are equipped with air conditioning, heaters, and essential comforts. This ensures a comfortable stay regardless of the season. You're close to key landmarks such as Higashichaya Old Town, Kanazawa Castle, and Kennerquin Garden. This prime location allows easy access to explore some of the best attractions in Kanazawa. The hotel offers coffee or tea and a kitchen. This offers more flexibility and convenience, whether you want to enjoy a quick cup of coffee in the morning or prepare a simple meal. Rooms include comforts such as a desk/workspace and a washer and dryer. You will also find a hairdryer and toiletries, so you can relax even more. The hotel staff speaks English, Chinese, Mandarin, and Japanese. This should make communication easy for a variety of guests. Based on reviews, the hotel scores highly for value for money and cleanliness. However, consider potential extra costs like any applicable resort fees or city taxes when budgeting for your trip. So, there you have it, the essentials you need to know about Kamin Kanazawa. This hotel seems like a great choice for travelers seeking luxury and convenience. Remember to use the link or QR code below to book your stay for the best experience.